Introducing the Microtop MB110 Industrial Fabric Cutter. This is a reliable cutting machine for cutting all kinds of high quality fabrics. It is used in industries such as composite material makers, in JRP moulding shops, in leather industries, blind awning makers and more. And it is designed for cutting a wide range of materials. The MB110 series has a cutting capacity of 32mm, and it can cut through chop strand matting and glide through with ease. This speeds up workshop production, and the thin base has a series of rollers which help the cutter glide over the work surface without damaging the worktop, which in turn would usually cause contamination in the composite material. The cutter also has a safety finger guard installed. On the side of the cutter there's a blade sharpening tool, and this saves time on regular blade maintenance. On this demonstration we are showing the cutter being used on one of our stronger, more difficult to cut materials. This particular cloth is 520g nylon, which as you can see is a bit problematic to cut with even specially designed glass fibre shears. But the Microtop MB110 series glides through effortlessly.